The president has begun the fight to deliver on one of his key campaign promises, to cut taxes and reform the tax code.
These tax cuts are significant. There's never been tax cuts like what we're talking about.
The basics of the plan include cutting the number of tax rates for individuals from 7 to 3, 12, 25, and 35%, along with a surcharge for the very wealthy. Cutting the tax rate for businesses from 35 to 20%, a number the president says he won't budge on. Nearly doubling the standard exemption to $12,000 for singles and $24,000 for couples, meaning that money would be tax-free. Keeping the deductions for charitable contributions and mortgages, but getting rid of the deductions for state and local taxes, a big hit for residents in high-tax states like New York and California, and eliminating the estate tax.
Our framework includes our explicit commitment that tax reform will protect low-income and middle-income households, not the wealthy and well-connected. And it's not good for me, believe me.
But predictably, Democrats disagreed, calling the plan a big windfall for the rich and a false promise to the middle class.
It is a framework that gives away the store to the wealthiest while sticking the middle class.
Trump and Republicans say it's a once-in-a-generation opportunity. The president calls the current tax system a relic and a colossal barrier that's standing in the way of the nation's economic comeback. Tax reform would require bipartisan support on Capitol Hill. The president is trying to reach out across the aisle.
Democrats and Republicans in Congress should come together, finally, to deliver this giant win for the American people and begin middle-class miracle.
And some Democrats may go along, but a deal will be tough, and Republicans have many disagreements among themselves as well.
Tax reform is going to make health care look like a piece of cake.
But President Trump and congressional Republicans are hoping they can make the tax code much simpler for millions of Americans, which means your own tax forms could be much easier to fill out. Dale Hurd, CBN News.